Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the Gmail address in your YouTube channel, or maybe let's just say to change the primary email address in your YouTube channel. Kindly watch this video to the very end so that you get the full details about how to do this. So what to do is to go to your browser. As you can see, I'm in my browser here. What you have to do is just open to the YouTube Studio app. I mean the web version. This is it here. You open the YouTube Studio app by logging into studio.youtube.com. That's where I am. This is the YouTube Studio app. I mean the web version. So when you open the YouTube Studio, the next thing that you do is to like scroll down to this place where is this settings icon. Let me circle so that you see it here. As you can see, let me circle so I can see it here. This is the icon here. This icon here, this settings icon. You click on it. Okay. When you click on it, it will now bring out some options for you to choose. Here you have general, you have channel, you have update or upload default permission. What you have to do is just to go to this permissions. When you click on permissions, you see where it says permissions for social. This is the name of my YouTube channel. You now come here. This is the primary email here. We are going to change this primary email to a new one. So what you do is to locate this place where it says invite. You tap on the invite here. This is invite here. This is invite. You tap on it. You tap on invite. Okay, here it will now ask you to enter the new Gmail address, the new email address that you want to use. Let's enter a new email address that will be changed with the primary one, the one that we currently have here, Sammy J Online. Let me use this one, Sammy J Online. Okay, this is the new email that I'm going to use here. Then after entering the email, the next thing that you do now is to grant it the kind of access that you want. The kind of access means, do you want it to be the manager? Do you want this new email address to like be the manager, the editor, the editor? They have two types of editor. The one that's limited. You get the difference between this editor not limited and editor limited is that with this editor you can view everything, go live, create and edit content, but you cannot manage permission or delete content. That's just the difference between this one and the manager. Whereas this editor, that's the limited part of it. You have every permission, every right with the editor, but you cannot see the ad data. That's the revenue, the earnings of the YouTube channel. After going through this, you now choose the one that you want. So let's click on this manager here because I want to make this one the manager. You click on this manager here, you click on done. As you can see, when you click on done, as you can see, is now pending invitation. Why is it pending invitation? It's pending invitation because you have to go to your Gmail to accept the invitation, but before that you have to save what you have done now by clicking on this save button here. Okay, when you must have finished entering those information, a mail like this will be sent to you which says accept invitation. Let me circle so that you can be able to see it clearly. As you can see here, it says accept invitation. Okay, when you by accepting this invitation, people who have access to this channel will be able to see your name, avatar, email address and the changes you make to the channel. This invitation expires in 30 days. Sincerely, the YouTube team. So what you have to do is just to tap on this accept invitation. Why I'm not going to accept it is because I'm just using this video for the purpose of this tutorial. I believe this video was helpful to you, and now you can change the Gmail address in your YouTube channel. Kindly give us a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. After subscribing, turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. See you in my next video.